Good afternoon again, Vinyl Record Rafflers. Welcome to another raffle of mine, and this time we have an OG press, of course, from the White Stripes. This album from 2003, which is Elephant. So here it is, and it's in pretty damn good nick. And here's the gatefold and everything, and the vinyls are all both in there. So yeah, pretty damn special album of theirs. I think that's pretty much my favorite of their albums. Probably others differ, but that one's my favorite one. So it's up for grabs for one of you guys. So okay, let's get to the business. And we have got quite a few new players that haven't played into my raffle, so which is so good to see. So we have the whole 26 players, and it's good. There's about 14, I think we have all up. And so I'll just explain to you quickly. I use the alphabet tiles from the Scrabble, which is all in here, the 26 letters, and I have my noisy rice container. Okay, and and I've got Tron Legacy playing. Hopefully people like that sort of stuff, because I'm gonna maybe hopefully raffle it out. Anyways, let's get into it. So good luck to every one of you, and let's get it started. Alrighty, first one off blank is the letter D, which belongs to Daniel. Letter L, which is Ellie. And the letter P, which is Justin. No, it's not. It's Aiden. The letter Y is Lynette. These are all new players so far. That's sorry, guys. Letter O belongs to Aiden again. Sorry, Aiden. Letter V, which is Josh. And the letter is letter A, Michael Murray. That's Michael. The letter C, which is Benjamin's. Thanks, Benjamin. Letter M, that I know belongs to Chris. Thanks, Chris, for playing, but that's you out now with the only spot. And thanks, Anne, for giving that to him as well. Okay, so keep playing, Chris. Good to see you in. Alright, next letter is E, which is Ellie's. And the letter I, which belongs to Lynette. Lynette, I think that's your 2 spots, and thanks for playing, girl. Good luck next time. H belongs to Adrian. That's your only spot, Adrian. Thanks for playing, mate, and good luck next time. The letter W belongs to Edward, and that was your only spot too, Edward. Thanks for playing, mate. Good luck next time, hey. J, I think that's yours, Justin. It is. Another shape. F belongs to Anne Frattini, and that is your only spot, Anne. Thanks for playing, girl. Good luck next time. Alright, letter N is Daniel's, and Daniel, you're still in it. Letter G, another one of yours, Daniel. Sorry, mate, 2 in a row, so you're still in though. Okay. The letter R which is Benjamin's. Benjamin's still in there too, mate. And then the letter D, K, Justin. Sorry, buddy. That's your 2 out. Thanks for playing. Good luck next time. X. X is Benjamin's again. So, Benjamin, that's your spot's gone. So, thanks for playing and see you again in the next raffle. Okay. The letter S belongs to Tim. Gordon, that's your first one, Tim. The letter Z, Brendan. That's your only spot too, Brendan. Thanks for playing. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 different players again. So all guys. So good luck to you all, and let's get the countdown. Fourth place belongs to the letter T, and that's yours, Tim. Sorry, that was like you didn't have any chasing for all that time, and you did pretty well to get through towards the last bits. But thanks for playing, and keep playing these raffles and enjoy. Thanks, mate. Third last belongs to is the letter U, which is Josh. Sorry, Josh, you didn't make that one. So second last, and apologies to the bridesmaid, is the letter Q, which is Daniel. Sorry, Daniel, again didn't make that one, and good luck next time. So the 4 last tile is the letter B, which is Michael. Michael Murray, haven't seen you win anything for a while, so congratulations, mate, and give us a buzz and we'll sort out this record to be sent to you. Okay, cheers, and thanks everyone again for getting this raffle all filled. Okay, see you in another one. Bye.